A very good morning, Zimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And let us take a look on crime watch and crime activities in the nation of Zimbabwe. In this episode, we are talking about exposing drug dealers. This is an exercise which was done by the police Zimbabwe, and it has been reported with a headline which says police names and shames drug dealers. So it was reported in the Herald, and let us take a look on what is really happening. So according to the Herald, the police released the names of 40 drug dealers and suppliers. Some of them who have been arrested during an ongoing operation against illicit substances countrywide. So some of these drug dealers and peddlers have been convicted, while some of the cases are still pending before the courts. So in a statement, Senior Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati said that the fight against drug lords and suppliers was still ongoing, or is still continuing. And they are saying that as the National Committee on the Elimination of Drugs and Substance Abuse, they've stepped up the fight against the drug lords and suppliers. The police named and shamed the listed drug barons and suppliers, and they are here. So we have Evans Dube, 32, Leroy Bruce Tungama, 28, Gift Maunda, 31, Tinashe Mrenji, 24, Nokutaba Sibanda, 31, Lindwe Mhlanga, 25, Onita Dube, 31, David Dida, 48, Rugby Matekenya, 35, Shailene Mareza, 31, Enimochi Seko, 28, Tawanda Sibindi, 18, Tinashe Nyakunzu, 29, Senzo Mhlanga, 43, Simbarashe Mkucha, 22, Hilary Motsi, Tembekile Zulu, 24, Ronald Mhlanga, 24, Honest Ndlovu, 22, Linda Sibanda, 32, and Salatin Zangare, 52. The others are Messi Muzulu, 29, Hitler Tafadzwa Jungura, 34, Ellen Munetsi, 32, Christina Tsikwa, 67, Ichembere Singanyari, Bob Kambangura, 27, Tafadzwa Tambudzai, 21, Pride Jeffrey Machidza, 31, Alabi Brahima, 32, Kulekani Moyo, 33, Nometa Mchemwa, 25, Mary Mchemwa, 37, Atomi Rudo, 34, Boniface Mfundis, 26, Joseph Mlea, 23, Nyaradzai Chipfuma, Keti Ndlovu, 24, Cleopas Moyo, 21, Colin Nyakarenga, 35. So this Colin Nyakarenga is one of those we have reported earlier in our reports, was also arrested, Uyanga Animbanje. So the Zimbabwe Republic Police reiterates that through the National Committee of the Elimination of Drugs and Substance Abuse, it will not hesitate to name and shame drug barons and suppliers in any part of the country. The public is urged to come forward with information through the National Complaints Desk number 0242 703 631 or WhatsApp 0712 800 197. So if you have any case to report about drug and substance abuse in any part of the country, you have to go through an anonymous number 0242 703 631. This is a landline. Give a tip off. I hope and believe that the police will be brave enough. Who are the drug lords? So in most circumstances, always suffer, but the bosses always remain untouched in most circumstances because of some political connections and the ability to have lawyers and the ability to have financial power and capacity to fight in the courts. So we know that the police carries a very significant job and duty in terms of dealing with the drug and substance abuse. A lot of people are dying because of these drugs. A lot of people the health is deteriorating because of drug abuse and this substance abuse. And this is a very good operation. We hope to see the police eliminating these criminals who are peddling drugs across Zimbabwe. So it is what it is. Let us continue to watch and see how the police is going to fight this to the end.